Infrastructure isn't just roads and bridges. It's really about the guardrails. Have you ever stopped to contemplate exactly how much we rely on infrastructure every single day? The highways, the train rails to get to work, the internet that connects us, the power grids, the water systems, the traffic lights, the airports, all the things that keep us moving without chaos. And we take them for granted until they break. And if you've ever been delayed at an airport, you know what I'm talking about. As defined, infrastructure is the underlying foundation or basic framework as of a system or organization. And that definition right there, that's the one we're leaning into today. Because infrastructure isn't really just about roads and bridges, it's about their safety, hence the guardrails. In your business, in your bookkeeping practice, your infrastructure is your systems, your workflows, your checklists, and your standard operating procedures. Your SOPs are the roads your business travels on. That's what ensures your consistency. They protect your time, they keep your service quality high, no matter how hectic things get. And most importantly, they catch you when you fall. That safety net you keep hearing about, this is it. Your infrastructure is what allows you to take bold steps forward because you've got a system beneath you. So whether you're scaling, delegating, onboarding new clients, your SOPs make it sustainable. They are not optional, they are foundational. And everything that you do more than one time should have a system, which means it needs to be addressed by your SOPs. So the next time you're tempted to wing it or keep everything in your head, ask yourself, would you want to drive on a bridge built with no blueprint? No. Then don't build your business that way either. If your SOPs are still in your head or scribbled on sticky notes, it's time to lay the real foundation. Start building the infrastructure that supports your success and gives you the freedom to grow. If you want to know more about SOPs in detail, check out Maven System 1. It's all about compliance, and as a final chapter, we delve deeply into your standard operating procedures. As part of your mission, as always, we do invite you to check out Maven and see how we facilitate that. But you can start right this second by downloading the essential SOPs every bookkeeper should have, and that is an attachment you can find right here below. You can catch our recent 4-Minute Maven episodes right here also. We've got mental flexibility and leave your employee brain behind, just to name two. And as always, if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got another episode. Up next, you're not a VA. You need to start with a smaller radius. See you there.